What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have another unboxing for you. This is a pair of wireless noise canceling headphones from Yamaha. These are the YH-E700s. Now, I've owned a few Yamaha AV receivers over the years and I really like them, but this is my first time hearing a pair of headphones from Yamaha, so I am looking forward to it. Like I said, these are noise canceling headphones, so you're going to be wearing them out in public on things like planes, trains, commuting, when that becomes a thing again. And so, you're going to be in public with them. So one of the things that's important about that is style. How do they look? How do they feel? That sort of thing. Can you wear them for a long time? So I'm going to give you not only the unboxing, but my initial impressions of this. But I will also be doing a full review of this in a few weeks because I do want to spend a few weeks with them, just trying to get in the feel, the lay of the land of them, that sort of thing. So why don't you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted when I publish that video. But before I can do the full review, I have to do the unboxing. So let's get to it. Now, before I get too far in this video, I want to say thank you to Worldwide Stereo because they sent me these headphones for review. Now, if you aren't familiar with Worldwide Stereo, they are an AV retailer based in Pennsylvania. They sell things like headphones, televisions, speakers, basically everything you need for your home theater or 2-channel setup. So use those links in the description below to find out more about their products. Okay, so the YH-E700s, they have all of Yamaha's latest tech built in, including the listening care, listening optimizer, advanced auto noise cancellation. They have an ambient sound mode. They also come with a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can plug them in like a regular pair of headphones, which is kind of cool. They have a couple of voice assistants built in. Basically everything you expect out of a pair of modern headphones. They cost about $350, so that puts them in the same price category as the Bose Headphone 700s and the Sony WH-1000 MX4s. But that's enough about that. Let's go ahead and let's talk about this box. As you can see here, it's black and white on the front. They've got this pink accent on the side here, which I think looks pretty cool. On the back, it tells you some of the tech that's built in that I just talked about. And the Yamaha logos over here. Now, I got these in black and I'm basically ready to go ahead and break into this box because I really want to see how they look. So let's get to it. Okay, this case feels really nice. Feels kind of like a leather. It's got that softness of a leather, and it's kind of got a hard shell around it. And of course, you got that Yamaha logo there. Here are all the manuals. Well, I just opened these up and you can smell that they're new. That's kind of interesting. But here in the case, you've got a little pocket right here so you can put things, maybe SD card or something like that that you might need, or maybe even the cable. But over here, you've got cables kind of right there. Airplane adapter. USB-C to USB-A charging connection. 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so I had to go get my gloves because I didn't want to get my fingerprints all over these before I got a chance to take any pictures. But I think they look really nice. I like the way they look. Overall, in my mind, they've kind of got a classic Yamaha design. I mean, you've got this black face here with this ridge that gives it just a little bit of pop in design. Down there at the bottom is the Yamaha logo. Up top is a little hole that I assume is a mic, so it can hear the ambient noise and figure out what it needs to cancel out with the auto noise cancellation. The headphones, or the cups themselves rather, they swivel in and out and fold in that direction to allow for a little bit easier storage when you put them back in here, which is nice. I also like the fact that they have the L and R really big inside the cups, so you know which one is left and which one is right. I mean, some other headphones that I've owned have got, you know, just a little L or an R somewhere on the inside, and it's a little bit harder to see. With these, you just glance really quickly and you can see which one it is. But up here, you've got physical buttons, which is actually quite nice. You've got an auto noise canceling button there with a headphone jack. Over here, you've got a power button and a couple of holes, which I assume is like the mic for when you're talking. The power connection, a play pause button along with an answer call button, and a plus minus button, which I assume is for volume. So it's basically got all the physical controls that I think you need in general, but I'll definitely try that out in the full review. Overall, it feels nice and soft. The ear cups feel nice and soft. Let's go ahead and let's put it on my head and give it a little test. Well, it feels nice on the head. The ear cups are nice and soft. The ear pad, or the head pad up here, feels nice and soft on top of my head. There's not a ton of clamping force, so it doesn't feel like it's going to give me a headache after any time, but it also doesn't feel like it's going to fall off or anything like that. So I'm looking forward to trying these. And like I said, these are an over the ear design, so they cover all of ears, and my ears didn't feel crushed or anything like that inside the cups. But I am going to try these over a few weeks, and then I will give you my full review. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified when I put that review in. If you have any questions about these, drop them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them in the full review. And if you want to purchase these headphones or anything else for your home theater or 2-channel setup, use those worldwide stereo links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.